In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the basic terminology involved in the terpenes and the terpenoids. We will see the definition of terpenes and terpenoids, some examples, classification of terpenoids and isoprene rule. The terpenes and terpenoids. The natural product mainly synthesized by plant. Next, it contains the isoprene unit C5H8 as the repeating unit. The terpenes contain only carbon and hydrogen, and terpenoids contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. More than 23,000 terpene systems are known. The natural product mainly synthesized by the plant. These terpenes and terpenoids contain the isoprene unit, other word from to be repeating unit in the structure of terpenes and terpenoids. When this compound contain carbon and hydrogen is called the terpenes, and compound contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is called as the terpenoids. In other, the oxygenated form of the terpenes is called the terpenoids. This is the examples of the terpenes and terpenoids. This is 1 and 2. This is the example of the terpenes. 3, 4 and 5. This is the example of the terpenoids. In terpenes contain only hydrogen and carbon, known as the terpenes, and the terpenoids contain oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. In first example, it is the acyclic compound containing 3 double bond. It is a major constituent in the bee leaf. It is used as the species in Indian curries. The name of this compound is the myrcene. The formula is C10H16. The next example is alpha philandrine. The molecular formula is C10H16. It is the monocarboxylic compound containing 2 double bond. It is the homoaluninidine. It is constituent of the epilaccus oil. It is used for the some medicine important. Then next example is the geranol. The molecular formula of geranol is C10H18O, which is present in the rose oil. Then next example is the menthol. The molecular formula is C10H20O. The alpha menthol is present in the leaves of the peppermint. The last example is the alpha terpenol. The molecular formula is C10H18O. The alpha terpenol is used of the cardamom. These 3 examples contain the oxygen is in the form of alcohol functional group. It is the primary alcohol, it is the secondary alcohol and it is the tertiary alcohol, and these 3 contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We will call as the terpenoids. Next point is the classification of terpenoids. This is the isoprene C5H8. It is the fundamental unit. Already discussed, the terpenes are made up of the isoprene unit, and depending upon how many isoprene unit in the terpenes and classified into the mono, di, tri, tetra and polyterpenes. This table show that the mono terpenes contain 2 isoprene unit, diterpenes contain 4 isoprene unit, triterpenoids contain 6 isoprene unit and tetra contain the 8 isoprene unit. When it contain the odd number of isoprene unit is called the sesquiterpene and sister terpenes. That means sequa means the 1.5 and sister means 2.5. So one can have the sequiterpenes and other is called as the sister terpenes. The sequiterpenes contain 3 isoprene unit and sister terpenes contain 5 isoprene unit. Now next is to this isoprene unit we will the number of carbon atom multiple of 5, this C10, C20, C30, C40 are present in the mono, di, tri and tetra. When it contains C15 and C25, it is called as the sequa and sister terpenoids. Then next is the correspond to each class of the terpenes. It should be the one example. When terpenoid contain more than 100 number of isoprene unit, resulting the molecule called as the polyterpenoids. And polyisoprene called as the natural rubber, both rubber, natural rubber and synthetic rubber. So this is the classification of terpenoids. It is based upon the isoprene molecule. We have already said that the terpenes is the isoprene molecule. Then next point is the isoprene rule. The fundamental building block of the terpenes is the isoprene unit C5H10. The larger structure are assembled for several isoprene unit, usually by the head to tail linkage isoprene unit. The isoprene molecule is the branch molecule. The branch portion is called as the head and unbranched portion is called as the tail. So theoretically that has 3 possibilities. The 2 isoprene units join to head, tail to tail and head to tail linkage. But the nature is very systematic. It is observed that most of the part of the structure of terpenoids contain isoprene unit joined to head to tail linkage. So this linkage of isoprene unit to head to tail linkage is called as the isoprene rule. Then the isoprene rule is proposed by the Wood on the basis of 2 important observations. First is the observation is that the empirical formula of terpenoid is C5H8 and second is the thermal decomposition of the terpenoids gives the isoprene. Since this is the product on the basis of these 2 observations, hence terpenes are composed of isoprene unit which are joined together through the head to tail linkage, and this statement is called as the isoprene rule. Next point is the application of the terpenes. Some of the application will find in the food industry. They use as the natural flavor. Next, they use as the fragrance in perfumery industry. And next is they have also used in the certain medicines such as the eucalyptus oil is used in the medicine for the homeopathy. From all above discussion that the terpenes and the terpenoids are the natural product. They are synthesis of the plant naturally occurring compound synthesis from plant contain isoprene as the repeating unit. The number of carbon atom is multiplied by 5. They contain head to tail linkage, and all terpenes are used as the essential oil. So this is all about the basic introduction and basic terminology involved in the terpenes and terpenoids. In our syllabus, the 4 terpenoids are mentioned. The first terpenoid is the geraniol. The geraniol is the primary component of the rose oil, palmarosa oil, and the citronella oil. This major source of geraniol is the rose. Another source is the major source of geraniol is the rose oil, and another source is the palmarosa oil and the citronella oil. So in next, when we extract the geraniol, this source generally appear like a pale yellow liquid, but pure form of geraniol is a colorless liquid. Then next point is the uses. The geraniol has a sweet rose aroma. The geraniol having a pleasant smell has a rose, and therefore it is used in the perfume industry. Second, it is mainly used in the perfume, lotion, creams, detergent, aftershave lotion, and soap and bathing product. Third, the geraniol has the antibacterial and antiseptic, anti-inflammatory property. Now discuss the structure determination of geraniol on the basis of chemical method of the analysis. The constitution and structure evolution of the geraniol. First, the molecular formula of geraniol is C10H18O. In geraniol contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It means that the geraniol is the terpenoids. In geraniol contain 10 number of carbon atom. It means that it contain 2 isoprene unit, and because of it contain 2 isoprene unit, it belong to a class of the monoterpenoid, and it join to as the head to tail linkage. Then next point is the analysis of the unsaturation. The geraniol added to 2 moles of or 2 molecules of hydrogen and the bromine shows that the geraniol contain 2 double bond. These 2 reaction shows that the geraniol contain 2 double bond. Then third point is the oxidation study. On oxidation, the geraniol gives and the aldehyde of the formation of C10H16O, indicating that the geraniol is the primary alcohol. Furthermore, the aldehyde C10H16O is identified as the citral A or the geraniol, which can be converted into the geraniol by the reduction. This is the reduction method. First, geraniol in the presence of oxidation, or geraniol which is the oxidation in the presence of aldehyde, it gives the citral. Then citral is undergo the reduction, it gives the geraniol. Then next point is the synthesis of geraniol. When 4-bromo-2-methylbutane-2 is react with ethyl acetoacetic ester, then negative charge of this oxygen atom is attacked on this carbon atom, and Br is removed and formation of this compound. In the presence of LDA, LDA means lithium diisopropyl amine. In next step, this compound is heat and Claisen rearrangement. That means Claisen rearrangement and formation of this compound. Then in next step, this product is react with ethylene glycol. It is protect with carbonyl group and from this group. In next step, the lithium aluminum hydrate is the reduction of this ester group and convert into the alcohol group. In next step, under the acidic condition, then this OH group is protect in the form of the acetate, and this cyclic ethyl glycol is deprotected under the mild acidic condition, convert into the ketonic group. In next step, treated with the Grignard reagent gives the tertiary alcohol. This ketonic group is converted into the tertiary alcohol. In next step, the tertiary alcohol is dehydration reaction using the acetic anhydride, and we get here against the diene. This is the diene. In next step, again the dehydration reaction and formation of this compound. Then next step, hydrolysis with KOH, it gives the deprotection of acetic group, convert into the OH group and gives the product of geranol. The geranol contain a 2 double bond and 1 OH group. All about the synthesis of geranol.